This video guides you through replacing the battery in your 2010 to 2019 Toyota 4Runner key fob. A dead key fob battery prevents remote locking unlocking. This DIY fix is quick, easy, and saves money. We'll be using the HYQ4ACX battery, a standard 3-volt lithium coin cell. The 2010-2019 4Runner key fob requires a HYQ14ACX battery. This is a specialized 3-volt lithium coin cell, equivalent to a CR1632. You can find these batteries at online retailers like Amazon, AutoZone, or Toyota dealerships. Prices typically range from $5 to $10. Using the correct battery ensures proper function. Avoid generic replacements. You'll need a few simple tools to replace the key fob battery. Start with a flathead screwdriver or pry tool to carefully open the fob without damaging it. Next, you'll need the new HYQ4ACX battery, a 3-volt lithium coin cell that's specifically designed for Toyota key fobs. Optionally, needle nose pliers can help with handling small parts and positioning the battery accurately. Alcohol swabs are useful for cleaning the battery contacts to ensure good electrical connection and prevent corrosion. Finally, wear gloves to avoid transferring skin oils to the battery contacts, which could cause connection issues. Locate the small slot on the key fob's seam. Insert the flathead screwdriver or pry tool into the slot. Gently twist or pry to separate the two halves of the fob. Avoid excessive force to prevent cracking the plastic casing. Take your time and work carefully. Once the fob is open, carefully remove the old battery. Note the polarity. The positive side typically faces up. Use your fingernail or a small tool to gently lift the battery out. If there's any corrosion on the contacts, clean them with an alcohol swab. Insert the new HYQ4CX battery, ensuring the positive side is facing up. Press it firmly into place. Double-check that the battery is securely seated in the compartment. An improperly seated battery can cause intermittent signal issues. Snap the two halves of the key fob back together. Ensure they are securely closed. Test the functionality by locking and unlocking your 4Runner remotely. The fob should sync automatically with the vehicle. No programming is needed. Dispose of the old battery properly according to local e-waste regulations. If the key fob still doesn't work after replacement, double-check the battery polarity by ensuring the positive side faces up. Also, make sure the contacts inside the fob are clean and free of corrosion. Battery life in your Toyota 4Runner key fob is typically 1 to 2 years. Extreme temperatures, like very hot summers or cold winters, can shorten this lifespan by causing faster battery drain. For extended battery life, consider cleaning the key fob's contacts periodically using rubbing alcohol to remove any corrosion. As of 2025, rechargeable lithium alternatives are emerging that could last 5 years or more, though they're not yet standard for official Toyota replacements.